Cloud computing and artificial intelligence, the future of computing. Welcome to this follow-up video on cloud computing and artificial intelligence. In our previous video, we discussed the intersection of these two transformative technologies. Today, we'll be looking at what's next for the cloud and how cloud computing is continuing to shape the future of computing. Cloud computing is constantly evolving, and new trends and innovations are emerging all the time. Here are some of the latest trends in cloud computing. Edge computing. Edge computing is a distributed computing paradigm that brings computing resources closer to the edge of the network, allowing for faster processing of data and reduced latency. This trend is becoming increasingly popular, especially in applications that require real-time data processing, such as IoT and autonomous vehicles. Hybrid clouds. Hybrid clouds are a combination of public and private clouds, providing the benefits of both. They allow for greater flexibility and cost savings, as well as enhanced security and control. Serverless computing. Serverless computing is a model in which the cloud provider manages the infrastructure and automatically allocates resources based on the application's needs. This model is gaining popularity due to its scalability, cost-effectiveness, and ease of use. As for artificial intelligence, cloud computing is enabling advancements in AI and machine learning at an unprecedented pace. Some of the latest cloud-based AI tools and platforms include TensorFlow. TensorFlow is an open-source machine learning library developed by Google. It allows developers to build and deploy AI applications on a variety of platforms, including the cloud. PyTorch. PyTorch is another popular open-source machine learning library that offers a range of tools for building and training neural networks. IBM Watson. IBM Watson is a cloud-based AI platform that provides a range of services, including natural language processing, speech recognition, and image analysis. In conclusion, cloud computing and artificial intelligence are driving the future of computing, enabling new possibilities and innovations that were once unimaginable. With the latest trends in cloud computing and the growing popularity of cloud-based AI tools and platforms, the possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tech-related content.